Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Nissan Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is a crossover vehicle that will demand attention with its styling and impressive performance. Plenty of interior room allows for a comfortable ride while including all the latest technology features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, front-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power steering, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, compass, rear window defroster, day and night rear view mirror, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, automatic air conditioning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.